welcome to my channel. I'm Pretty Amonomose. I'm back for another video. In today's video is how to get rid of acne with pure baking soda. So I have here with me pure baking soda. Okay, I bought it for €2.20 and it is very affordable. You can buy it from Africa shop. So I'll be using pure baking soda for 2 weeks, in the morning and in the evening, starting from today. So guys, as you can see, I have acne on my face. In this side of it, I don't have acne on my face, but in this side of my face, I have a lot of acne. Hope you guys can see that. So I'll be using this now to remove acne, to get rid of acne from my face. In 2 weeks time, I will be back for another video to show you how my face look like. So let me share with us how I'm going to use those products. I will be adding some baking soda on a bowl, inside a bowl. Then I will be adding water, just a little water. Then I have to mix it together to turn into a paste. Okay, can you guys see that? It has turned into a smooth paste. So I have to apply it now on my face. It's just like this. You apply it this way. And leave it like this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rinse it off with water. Okay, you can use normal water or lukewarm water, it doesn't really matter. Rinse it off from your face. Use this product in the morning and in the evening. If you are interested, you have acne in your face, you can go now to the supermarket, so buy these products and start using it. Okay, so in 2 weeks time, like I said before, I will be back. Okay guys, so guys, till we meet again next time, give this video a thumbs up and also support by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification button so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first person to know, so that you'll be updates in all things I'm doing. Okay, so guys, leave your questions if you have any questions in the comment section and I will reply you immediately. Till we meet again next time. Bye bye.